Hello everyone. Now we will solve few questions of projection of points. Now let's say the first question is point A. Now this is the name of the point. Point A is 25 mm above HP and 35 mm in front of VP. Draw its projections. Point is given named as A. Draw its projection means we have to draw the views. Whenever the question is there projection means we have to draw the views, and I have told you there are two views to draw, front view and top view. Means we have to draw the front view and top view of a point A as per the given case. When you read the statement, first of all understand the quadrant. So in which quadrant the point is there? The point is above HP and in front of VP. So it means above HP in front of VP, it is the first quadrant. So I have done the first quadrant. In exam you have no need to draw all these things. When we will solve 1 2 3 questions, you have to do this thing in imagination. Only we have to draw the direct solution, but just to teach you, just to guide you how to imagine the things, I am making this diagram. Now as per the question, the point A is 25 above HP. So I have drawn the XY line. This is, I have considered the HP plane, this is the VP plane. 25 above HP, so from this HP I'll take 25 upward. So let's say I have taken this point. Now point is having only a dot and it is having the name A. Now a point A 25 above HP, so I have taken this gap from HP 25. I'm making it with pen so that it should be visible to all of you. Then it is given there 35 in front of VP, so it means this gap will be 35 from VP. Now we have to draw its projections. We know that where is the standard position of observer for front view? This side for front view and this side for top view. When you are standing here in front of a mirror and object is like dot, it is present in front of a mirror. When you see, its projection will be here on VP, and that will be named as front view with small a dash. I have told you front view with small a dash if the name is A, top view without dash. So when you see the top view, from the top its projection will go on HP, so you will get the top view of this point, that is known as A only. Now this is the solution, but this is again a 3D diagram. We use the quadrant system just to make the complex 3D diagram easily on the 2D. So we have decided a rule. I have told you we have to rotate HP, always HP 90 degree clockwise. If you rotate HP 90 degree clockwise, what will happen? This HP plane will go down like this. After rotating 90 degree clockwise, HP will go here, and this view, it will also come here. So this will become the top view A. Or if I make a simple diagram of this, I can show you. After rotation, the planes will be like this. VP here, after rotation HP will be below XY, VP will be above XY. You can imagine this thing, you are standing in this side. Same, the views will go, here is the A dash and here will be the A on HP like this. If I join them with very light line, projection line, and here will be the intersection point, I can name it as A0. So after rotation, converting 3D into 2D, we will get the diagram this. Even then we have no need to draw these surfaces of plane because size of VP is not fixed. So on the drawing sheet, what to do, I'll tell you, but solution is this only. If I talk about the distance, this is 25. So when you see from this side, this 25 gap, this gap from HP to the point, you can see this gap here. So it will be 25 on this side, and when you see from the top, this gap 35, which is the distance from VP to the point, it will be projected here. Same, when you rotate, this gap will be what, 25, and after rotation this 35 will be below xy, because this 35, when you rotate it, this 35 will go here after rotation, right? So on the sheet, what we have to draw, first we will draw the xy line, very light, very thin line. Just hold your pencil with the tip, very thin line, draw the direction only, do not give force on the pencil. We use open arrowheads here because xy line we can extend it. Now as per the solution, above xy the whole area is VP. Now you are not allowed to use pen. The whole area is VP, it is representing like this. Whole area below xy is HP, it is represented by this. Now we take a start point, let's say this is the A node. After this it is having 25 distance, so you can start from any point, let's say this 1 2 25, mark the point. So this is your A dash, and 35 below, so again you can count the distance, 1 2 3 and then 5, so this is 35. After that again just touch, hold your pencil vertical and give direction only, do not put force on this. You can see I am just giving the direction, a very thin line like this. Now this was the point, so I can highlight this point because the main object is a point, so a dot is there, and A dash front view, A top view. Now we will give the dimensions, take a 2 mm gap with extension line and object line, very light line, thin line. Same here, 2 mm gap, draw very thin lines. I am again telling you, in the complete solution only the point is the main object, nothing else, all these other things are imaginary. Now take 10 mm gap. With practice you can easily know what is the 10 mm gap between dimension line and object line. After that we have to draw the arrowheads, very thin arrowhead, more in length, less in width. Try to draw the same type of arrowhead as I am showing in the video, very thin arrowhead. Now this is a chain type of dimensioning. Now this distance was 25, so aligned system, above dimension line from right side we have to write the value. This is 25. We use the same letter writing style you have learned how to make 25. No units, because in dimensioning we never write units, standard units are mm, so it is understood that is 25 mm. Only in the chapter of scale we write the units. So this is distance 35. So this is your solution. On the sheet we have to draw this only, this part you have to do the imagination, just teach you I have made this thing. Similarly we can solve the second question. Now the second question says that a point M is 32 mm above HP and 18 mm behind VP. Draw its projection. So first of all the point name M, above HP, behind VP. So above HP, behind VP, second quadrant. So I have done the second quadrant. The point M is 32 mm above HP. So from this HP it will be 32. So if I consider the point here, just to show you, just try to improve the imagination, this is not allowed. So let's say this is the point, M is the real name of the point, capital M, it is 32 above HP. So let's say I have taken this distance 32 as per the given value, 18 mm behind VP, so it means this gap is 18 mm. So this is the given statement. Now you know that for this quadrant also, for front view observer has to stand this side, for top view observer has to stand this side. When you see on this side, consider this VP as a transparent glass, where the front view will go, it will go like this on VP and front view, so small m with dash. Top view, from the top it will go here, the top view only name M. Now where the distance will go, this 32, when you see from this side, this 32, you can see the gap here, the gap between front view and XY line. And when you see from the top, where can you see this 18? That 18 gap, this gap, it will be projected here on HP. So this gap will be 18. So don't worry about the distance because I am not measuring. So I'm just representing, so it is coming small or big. Now this is the 3D view of solution. Now to convert this 3D into 2D, we have decided what we have to rotate HP 90° clockwise. When you rotate HP 90° clockwise, what will happen? Both the planes will get overlap. So what will be the view after this? Just try to imagine these things, otherwise in exam we have no need to draw this. So VP and HP both will go above XY after rotation. Just you can use your notebook and try to rotate it. So a M point is there. If I take a start point M node, M dash is there at 32 gap. So this is at a gap of 32, and 18 will also go here. This 18, it will go like this. So 18 is here, M. And if I draw the projection line is just the imaginary line which is joining front view and top. Now this gap is, as we know, this is how much? 18 mm, right? So how to make this on sheet? We have no need to draw all these diagrams. The marks will be for this diagram only, which I am going to draw. Again, draw a very light line, thin line, do not give force on that. So this is open arrowhead, XY line. Now this is a second quadrant, so we can say VP and HP both above XY line. We are representing like this. So this is the point, given point M, so we name it M node. So on the line we have to now start measuring the distance. The distance is given as 18 and 32. So first we can measure 18, 1 and then 8. This is the M, and then 32, 1 2 3 and then 2, 32. So again we have to join it very light line, thin line, like this one, not visible from a distance, but we have to highlight the point. A big dot should be there. So this is the M point, and this is, so small m, M for top view, M dash for front view. Now we have to do the dimensioning. We will prefer the parallel dimensioning here. Here we have done the chain dimensioning. Now you will see the parallel dimensioning. Draw the extension line, 2 mm gap, very light line. I will draw extension line for this also. Then we have to draw the dimension line, 10 mm gap, very light line, again between the two dimension lines, 10 mm gap. Then we draw the arrowheads. Now this is 18, so align system from right side. I am writing the dimension value as per the given style. So this is 32. So this is your solution. Now we will see one more question. Now the given question is a point B. So this is the B. Name of the point is B, 28 mm behind VP and 20 mm below HP. Draw its projection. So name is B, behind VP, below HP. So quadrant is third. So I have drawn the third quadrant. Now try to do it without making the diagram. Try to do it in imagination. So let's say this is the point B, 28 behind VP. So this gap is 28 and it is 20 below HP. So this is 20 below HP. Now when you see from this side, we know that it's front view. It will be projected here, V dash, and top view, it will be projected here, top view on HP. What about the distance? This 20 from this side, this 20, you can see the distance 20 here, the gap from XY to the front view, this is 20. And from the top, when you see from the top, this 28 will be visible here, this gap will be 28. Now this is the 3D solution. To convert this 3D into 2D, what we have decided, rotate HP 90 degree clockwise. What will happen when you rotate? So HP will go like this above XY line, this point B, it will also go here top view, and this 28 distance it will also go here. So if I simplify the diagram, I can say that it will be same like this. So this is XY. Now this is HP, this is VP, just reverse of first quadrant. Here HP is above XY, VP is below XY. So this is the point B0, this is the point B, and this is point B dash. In first quadrant, front view is above XY on VP, top view is below XY on HP. But in third quadrant, front view is below XY on VP, top view is above XY on HP. And this distance will be 28, this one, and this distance will be 20. Now we will draw the same diagram on the sheet. Now the question says that a point R, name of the point is R, is 20 mm below HP and 12 mm in front of VP. So below HP, in front of VP, so fourth quadrant is there. So we consider the fourth quadrant HP, VP like this. Now let's say the point, here is the point and name of the point is R. It is given 20 below HP. So this gap we can say below HP. This is 20 and 12 mm in front of VP. So this gap is 12 mm. Now when you see from this side, for front view, where the front view will go, here on VP, small r dash, top view, it will be projected upward, here R only. Now this is the 3D solution. Okay, I'll talk about the distance also. So from the top you can see the 12 distance here, this will be the 12 distance you can see from XY to the top view, and this 20 distance, you can see this 20 distance from XY to the front view. Now this is the 3D solution. Then we have to convert this 3D into 2D. I have told you rotate HP 90 degree clockwise. What will happen? Both the planes will come down. So VP and HP overlap. So what will be the view in that case? So here is the VP and HP both below. So this is the point R0. So here on the same line, R dash will be here, R will be 12 mm below XY and R dash will be 20 mm below XY. So we have to draw this, no need to draw the plane. How we can draw it on the sheet? Same procedure I have told you, draw XY line, very light line, thin line with open arrowheads. Now this is fourth quadrant, so both VP and HP below XY. So this is the point R0, just a reference point, start point. Then exactly measure the distance. This is 12, 20. So this is the solution. We'll see one more question. A point C, name of the point C, and 19 mm above HP. So this is above HP and in VP, so no gap from VP. So above HP in VP, it can be in first quadrant or it can be in third quadrant. So if I say we prefer the first quadrant, 19 mm above HP. So above HP 19 mm in VP means it is placed on the plane VP. So what we'll do, from XY or from this HP, we take a point. So this is the point, actual point C, and it is how much? 19 mm above HP. Now when you see from this side, for front view, you will have the same C dash, and when for top view, when you see from the top, it will go on XY line. Now to convert this 3D into 2D, what to do? When we rotate HP 90 degree clockwise, so HP will go down, and there is nothing, no point is there which will be rotated, so this will be the view. So after rotation, if I show you the diagram, this is VP, this is HP. Now the point is here C0, so it will have only one point, C dash, above and at a gap of 19. And where will be the top view? It will be just on the reference point, means if you see from the top, this point is in VP, no gap from VP, so it will be on XY line. So C0 and C both will be the same point. So how to draw this diagram? Draw XY line, so this is the solution. Now I expect that you can solve this question by yourself. A point K is there, 23 mm in front of VP and in HP, draw its projection. Now try to solve this question yourself. So I have done the solution. Try to think how I am getting this solution from, just try to imagine. This will improve your imagination how we are getting this solution.